72-hour deadline for the centre to roll back FDI and retail and diesel price hike. The Trinamool, in fact, had set this deadline till evening today for the government to make it stand clear. Trinamool MP Saugata Roy said that if they do not hear from the government till the evening, then it will be forced to take a decision. Roy has in fact ruled out any difference between Trinamool minister over the issue. He also said that Finance Minister Chidambaram is not the final authority, so there must be a rethink on the government's reform push.
Mamata Banerjee, in a very crucial meeting today, will decide the fate of a tie with the Congress party on this issue. We are joined by Minister of State in the Council in charge of Urban Development, Saugata Roy. Sir, yesterday evening, Finance Minister P. Chidambaram made it very clear that there will not be any rollback from the centre. So the posture is very clear. The position of the centre is very clear vis-a-vis the reform.
I've seen and heard Chidambaram's statement. But Chidambaram is not the last word in the government. He has a Prime Minister above him. He has the UPA chairman above him. But so far, this is the only public statement that has come on our demands for a withdrawal of the government decisions. If no further public statement comes, we'll take it that the centre has not responded and decide accordingly.
But then, Mr. Roy, the issue here is that your party too has taken a very extreme position on LPG, diesel, FDI and multi-retail, FDI and power exchange. So, do you think that you have any space to maneuver yourself out of it?
We are not looking for maneuvers. We are keeping to our commitment of opposing any anti-people stand taken by the government at the centre. So we are not trying to maneuver. It's for the centre to propose, then we can discuss. They have not proposed anything publicly. So
what you are in principle saying that if there is no communication from the centre post Chidambaram's statement, it's fait accompli? Is that what you mean?
That means they are not considering our demands. They are going ahead. We'll decide on our own.
As a senior member of Trinamool, what are the options you feel then your party would be left with?
Many options. I've been a politician for many years. I know that in politics there are many smaller and larger options. So there are many options. They have been talked about. Withdrawal from the government is one of them. But I do not want to state presumptively as to what the options are. If by 5 o'clock no options are spelled out, no decision is spelled out from the centre, we shall explore all the options.
And last question, there was a lot of speculation that the ministers of the Trinamool were split on the issue of whether to be part of the government or not, because we have been told that many felt that why leave the government?
This is a media campaign. This has no substance. I do not know of any difference in opinion. I do not know of any discussion having taken place in this matter. So the media has to say something, so it's part of that.
So thank you for speaking with us. With camera person Rajesh Srivastava, Kartikeya Sharma from Kolkata for Headlines Today.